Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Easily channel. Learn English through phrases. Everyday using phrases to improve speaking English. Do practice these phrases and improve speaking English. Subscribe Learn Easily channel not to miss next coming videos. Please like the videos and do share with your friends.
Greeting someone. Greeting someone is what you do when you first see them, basically saying hello. There are many different ways people greet each other in English, some being formal or appropriate for every situation, and others being informal and something you should say only to close friends or family. Formal greetings. Hello. Hello, Ramesh. How are you? How are you doing? How have you been? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Informal greetings. Hi. Hey. What's up? How's it going? What's new? What have you been up to? How are you? Saying goodbye. How you say goodbye in English depends on who you are talking to. There are formal, informal, and very informal ways to say goodbye. Formal. Goodbye. Have a nice day. It was nice seeing you again. I look forward to seeing you again. Take care. Good night. Informal. Bye-bye. See you later. Or see you soon. Talk to you later. Take it easy. I've got to get going. I've got to run. Really informal. Check you later. I'm out. Or I'm out of here. I'm off. I've got to take off. See you.